Hello guys, my name is Kenya Programming House. Today we'll create a Python script that can be used to search a text file in a tree, in a directory tree, based on a specific wordings inside it. So the problem is, let's say you have a couple of files nested within a directory, and you are trying to look to search for a specific file with certain character combination or maybe wordings. So we'll create a script that can do that task, that will go through the directory listing, reading all the files, and then if it meets a file with the character wording, then it will display the path to that very file. So before we start, I will assume that you have Python 3 installed in your system. So we'll import our os model, then we'll define the path. So here I have my path as files. As you can see, I've created a directory called files. Then it has two folders, folder 1 and folder 2. Then the folders, they have files inside. So inside the files folder, we have these files. Then inside the one, we have kn.txt. Then 2 directory, we have 1.txt. So I've just prepared this directory for this tutorial. So that's our path. And now we'll do for her d and have in os.walk path. Then we'll pass our path there. So basically, this os.walk method, it will return these three variables: r standing for the root directory, then d standing for a list with subdirectory in the root directory, then have standing for the files in the root directory. So this os.walk, it will look through all files nested in this folder. So every file nested, every folder, every file inside this files folder, this os.walk will go through it, all of it. So we'll do for r standing for root directory, d standing for a list of subdirectory, and have standing for files in the root directory. Then we will do for file. No, we'll loop all the files in this f. We have seen that this f stands for files in the root, a list of files in the root directory. So we'll loop through that list for file in f. Then we'll have to make sure that our file is text, as a text extension. It's a text-based file. So if file dot ends with text is equals to false, then we'll continue, meaning we'll do nothing. So we'll skip that loop. So Now if it's true, then it will continue, as in it will not skip this for loop, that for loop. So we'll have with open, we'll pass the file, we have to pass the file name. So we'll have now the file name is equals to os.path.join a root directory plus the file. So with open file name with r flag as file, we will read the data. So we'll have file to read, then if, now here let's pass the string to search. String to search is equals to, maybe you're looking for something like maybe can. So if string to search in data will print file found, cancel maybe here, then we'll pass the file name, and then we will break. Now here we will create a variable by the name found. So found is equals to 0. Now here before we break, if you happen to find the file, we will overwrite a found variable with 1. But after breaking, if found is equals to 0, then we'll know that we haven't found the file. So we'll print file not found. So that is it. Inside our files folder, we have a file and the 2 under the directory by the name 2. So we have a file there called can nede. So we are supposed to, so this is a string. In our script, we have told it to search for a string by the name can. So here we have this string can. So in all other files, there's no file with that string, with that wording can. So if we try running the script, we have Python 3 find. So if you run it, you'll see file found here, files 2, then 1.txt. This is the file directory, this is the 2, this is the 1. Now if we'll change it to another extension, maybe let's say like PDF, we change the extension. Now remember here we have this code here is ensuring that the file that is being opened here must have a text.txt extension. So if we change now our file here to another extension, it will run and it will return no file found. So Python 3 find text blah 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 .py. So if we run, we'll have file not found, because here we are looking for .text extension. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Bye.